Well, hours to go for the Modi 3.0 cabinet to take oath. Times Now has accessed exclusive details of what Modi cabinet would look like. And as per our sources from BJP, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Nitin Gadkari, Piyush Goyal, Jyotiraditya Scindia, Arjun Ram Meghwal, Jitendra Singh, Sarbanand Sonowal, Basamraj Bommai have all received the cabinet call. And from JDU, it's Ramnath Thakur. According to reports, he is going to be inducted into the cabinet. Ramnath is a Rajya Sabha MP and a leader from extremely backward class. Let's talk about TDP. TDP has confirmed MOS berth for its MP, Dr. Chandrasekhar. He's one of the richest MPs with assets worth 5,705 crore rupees and also a renowned doctor and an entrepreneur. Ram Mohan Naidu, another TDP MP, he's also likely to be inducted. He will be one of the youngest ever cabinet ministers and a three-time MP from Srikakulam. He is the son of former union minister late K.Y. Naidu. Let's talk about LJP now. LJP party chief Chirag Paswan has also received the cabinet call. JDS party chief H.D. Kumaraswamy has also been called. He's received the cabinet call as well. Former chief minister of Karnataka, Mr. Kumaraswamy, is also a vocal legal leader. Let's talk about RLD chief Jayant Chaudhary. He is also going to be inducted. He's received the cabinet call. He is a Rajya Sabha MP from Uttar Pradesh and a farmer leader from the Jat community. Remember, he switched camps from the INDI. He joined the NDA. He's the grandson of former Prime Minister Chaudhary Charan Singh. So these are the names that are coming to fore. We have more breaking news coming in, more names in fact coming to fore. Sabyasachi and Pragya are joining us with the latest. Sabyasachi reporting from the Prime Minister's residence, where I believe in some time from now we'll start getting those visuals of all those who've been called arriving.
Well, absolutely. See, sometime from now, the leaders who have got call, they would be arriving shortly at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's residence. See, this has been the thing which has been followed back from 2014 onwards. See, the message to the Council of Ministers would be extremely important. What Prime Minister Narendra Modi say to all these leaders who would be present out here, leaders from the allies also would be present here. The message will be clear and cut, where the schemes which are being run by the central government, those schemes have to be followed at any given cost. We have to make sure that they have to work for the betterment of the people. All right, Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We're getting more breaking inputs. Breaking inputs coming in, and another name coming to fore. Kiran Rijiju has received a call. He is set to be retained. That's the inside scoop, and Pragya is getting us more on that. So Kiran Rijiju has also received a call.
This is what our sourcing is telling us, that Kiran Rijiju has received the call. In fact, he is the face from Arunachal Pradesh. He had been minister in previous government also. He he was praised for taking sports ministries to new height, and also then he was shifted to another ministry. But he did his work very well, is what we got to know from the sources, and probably this is the reason he is the face of the Arunachal as well in Delhi as well, in the national capital. He represented Arunachal in Modi cabinet, and we are given to understand that he is going to be retained in Modi government as well.
Okay, stay on with us, Pragya and Sabyasachi. We are getting some reactions as well. Let's listen in.
The services provided now for new MPs is something nobody will expect also. Language also, if I am from Andhra, Telugu person is coming to you. The listening, the way they are doing things, it shows that the big change in the system itself. And of course today we are going for the oath ceremony of our Prime Minister. And I am part of the NDA from Telugu Desam party. I don't want to comment anything now because I have just come now.
हमारे लिए आज हर्ष का क्षण है, आनंद के पल हैं, पुलकित हैं, आनंदित हैं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी आज तीसरी बार शपथ ले रहे हैं। ये विशेष बात, कई कीर्तिमान उन्होंने जीवन भर स्थापित किए, एक नया कीर्तिमान और जुड़ेगा आज, और देश के लिए, हम सब के लिए ये अच्छे पल है। ये वो लोग कह रहे हैं जो बहुमत से कोसों दूर है, जिन्हें 3 का अंक भी नहीं छू पाया, वो इस तरह की बात कर रहे हैं। वो प्रारंभ से ही आज विपक्ष के जितने भी लोग हैं देश में भ्रम फैला के ही वोट पा पाए, वो जितने भी पा पाए थोड़े बहुत, टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में बटे लोग कह रहे हैं कि मिलीजुली सरकार है।
देश का सौभाग्य है, मोदी जी तीसरी बार शपथ ले रहे हैं। विकसित भारत का संकल्प पूरा होगा, जन कल्याण होगा, देश विश्व गुरु बनेगा।
Let's go back to our reporters. Those are reactions coming in and excitement is very clear among the NDA leaders, the MPs and the netas of government formation. This, of course, is them speaking right ahead of the oath-taking ceremony, with some of them receiving the phone call, some of them, in fact, waiting in anticipation that they will be inducted in the cabinet, and some of them openly admitting that it is confirmed. We have some breaking inputs coming in.